Are you ready? Did you eat that loss? Did you eat that loss? And are you ready to hungry? What are you gonna do?
Day 2, boys. We're getting ready to go.
Let's get it.
Well, it's day 1 of the games, but look, this is what we got in our room. We asked for all these snacks, so we got them. It's Jacob's favorite.
Oh,
Sour Patch Kids.
Bracket champions.
And I asked for this especially,
Nuttala.
and then some eye stuff. This is the room, boys. This is where the Big Deal selects go. They obviously have the Pink Whitney on no ice, which is cool. Let's go. We're ready to go.
Nose face, I'll see you in Buffalo. You come prepared, buddy, because I'm going to put your head through the dasher, just like you did to me in Vegas, my friend.
We've arrived, and we're ready. Take down No Space Killer and his cronies. Oh, we're here. Let the games begin. Are you ready? Did you eat that loss? Did you eat that loss? And are you ready to fucking hungry? What are you gonna do?
Alrighty, guys. Questions?
What's different this year than last year?
Last tournament didn't go well. We got mercy ruled in the finals. Didn't even know that even existed in ball hockey, but we got a lot to prove this one. We got some new guys on the squad. We brought in a goaltender. That was the biggest issue that we had to address.
Our goalie was blind.
Our goalie failed us.
Our goalie was blind.
Our goalie
He
failed us.
Yeah, remarkable that we had a blind goalie in the last tournament who was probably our best goalie in net, shockingly enough. But I don't know who the new goalie is.
Evan Mosher, goalie.
Got it. That's what we needed.
4 years major junior, CIS overseas. Now he's back. He won us a national championship in 2010. He is a national champion.
Let's worry about our game. Worry about our game.
Are you ready?
Let's go, boys.
Oh yeah, boys! All right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to beautiful Buffalo, New York, for this Chicklets Cup.
Let's go, boys.
Tonight's game featuring your Big Deal Selects versus the Buffalo Scientologists. Yes, this should be a good one, featuring prospects Justin the Jackal Pender, Jeremy Bardown Bishop, oh yeah, and today's starting goalie from St. John's, Newfoundland, Evan Mad Dog Moser. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a treat for you this evening. Former first-round pick and 3-time world champion Terry Ryan Jr. is back for a vengeance on the Chicklets Cup in February, where they got silver, not gold. This should be a good one. Are you ready for the Big Deal Selects? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? Let's play hockey!
Go, guys. All right, guys. How's everyone feeling, TR? Get it going, Johnny.
Oh, baby!
How you feeling? Get another one, buddy. Get another one.
It is hot out here. 2-2 right now. Big Deal Selects. They look a lot better without me, I'll tell you that.
Go, guys! Oh my God!
Great job so far. Good communication. Go hard. Defense first. We'll turn it over. On 3. Barstool. 1, 2, 3. Barstool. Yay! Oh! Play it.
Boys, great showing. Yeah, great. There you go, a little water.
All right, guys, we just landed here in Pittsburgh from the Chicklets Cup. We're at Kobe Armstrong's house, and we're shooting a little commercial with Nerf and Sportsnet. There's our boy Colby there, crushing. Who knows what's in that coffee cup? A couple targies. Oh, we're taking action here.
Let's go, Tom. We're actually lighting up these kids. They're like 7. They're so bad at it. It's like taking candy from a kid.
Let's see even if they hit one.
Go to town. And action. Get active. Be crazy.
Get mean, Livy.
Come on, Livy. Hold both buttons down. Hold them both down.
You beast, Liv.
Hold them both down.
Let's just reset.
Jacob's chain up. All right, Jacob, what next?
Well, obviously, I mean, it's rigged. Like,
We obviously have to
pumping
lose,
them,
you
and
know?
they're sending it to Toronto. I haven't seen a single shot from us hit targies. I swear we've hit every target at least 17 times already.
And we gotta wear
Yeah,
Why do we? It's not even go through our whole
I can't
eye.
see nothing.
All right, we got this obstacle course here. Dangy through here. And Jacob's got to shoot the darts, or the pucks, the biskies, from the handies. He's got to get a handy, and then rip the biskies. I'll add sound effects.
Easy work.
Go slow motion. I'll add sound effects.
Like that, boys.
Just like that. And then once he hits that, I got to come over here and rip a couple biskies straight through Locko's 5-hole. And bang, dial it in, we're done. See if you can shoot it in the air and catch it. Oh, you drop it?
I didn't know where the
She was spinning too.
I got scared. You want to try and catch it?
Sure. Here, I'll hand the camera off to you quick. Okay. Oh yeah. Easy peasy.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Give me the dart. That was the lucky one. Can't get it. And then cock it back, and then shoot it up. Don't throw the gun.
I didn't.
Okay, it's time. It's go time.
All right, Jacob. Second obstacle course. We got Arm Dogs,
It's
young seed here.
Absolutely
Cruiser.
rigged right now. It's our boy Cruiser, Army's little one. He's not bad at hockey. I mean, he's only.
We've been watching you play since he was little.
Yeah.
I think,
I think like
junior pens or whatever.
you probably would have been like 8 or 9.
How old are you now? 14?
12.
Oh, jeez.
So that was at least 3 years ago. First time. It's a pretty good hockey player. Not a lot of like motivation in household, so luckily they're close to the organization. You can get it elsewhere, but
Wrapped up the innies. Jacob, couple more shots here.
of what?
Couple more shots here.
Of what?
The guns.
Don't.
What?
Blaster safety.
I've just shown you the gun.
It's a blaster.
It's a blaster.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Stop it.
Doesn't zoom. All right, boys. That was it for Pittsburgh.
You gotta use your tongue.
You saw us at Pittsburgh. What? No, it doesn't zoom.
Just can't zoom. Sorry.
So we did some Nerf stuff with Arm Dog there. Quick 3-day rip to the Berg.
Colby.
kind of sucks. So now
Kinda-
we're back in Soda.
Kind of a dumper. We went to back-to-back dumpies.
Yeah, Buffalo to Pity Dumps.
Dump to dump
So
to
we're
mini.
in Soda now for a couple days. We are at our private training facility.
It's in Corcoran.
Yeah, so we have one day here, then we hop on a private jet, a PJ, first PJ.
PJ.
Well, not the first, but we're being humble. We do it all the time, but
Yeah.
we'll say first on here. But first PJ up to War Road, but right now we're just going to kind of screw around and
Yeah, we're
have
gonna.
some fun.
We found some little bicycles, so we're gonna try and jump some bicycles. Ollie's never actually rode a bike before, so
Yeah.
we're gonna teach him today.
There's a dirt bike there I've never driven.
Oh,
or
dirt
drove.
bike?
Yeah, I've never drove one.
Okay, dirt bike it is.
So I'm going to learn how to drive a dirt bike, boys.
First one to backflip wins.
Woo!
So you got.
Whoa. There's air coming out of it.
Yeah, I know. It's fun. And they got the wrong. Oh, there it is. See, I don't turn these on.
On step. Oh, no step. All right, found
So
the
it's
problem,
not
boys.
plugged
It wasn't plugged in.
But good thing we're electricians.
You just find the valve stem here, boys. It's not the best angie, so I'm just gonna lift up the fairing a little bit. Just re-angie. You use the dually side here. Oh, that doesn't angie either. What the heck?
On, Jacob?
Oh, what are you doing?
Never drove a dirt bike in my life, so I'm gonna give it a try.
Do you know how to start it?
Not really.
Use the foot ripper.
Lucas, I gotta hold the brake the whole time?
Use a foot ripper, clutch in, clutch left in, left hand
Okay.
in.
Yeah, left hand in.
Foot ripper, get the foot ripper out. There's the rudder start.
And just crank it?
And
Why is it so hard?
it's supposed to be, you gotta stand up.
Yeah, I gotta clutch it.
Nice, you got it.
Clutch in. And then push this down, right?
Ollie's
it up?
first time. Up for gear one. There you go. Slowly. Oh, nice Ollie.
See you later, sucker!
Nice Ollie. Look at him rip. Was that a shift? Did we hear a shift? I think we heard a shift. It's our boy Lucas.
What's up, boys?
Speaking to my microphone if you want to speak.
What's up, boys?
Look at the wheels on this kid. Look at the wheels on this kid. Oh. Back. Bit of a wide turn.
Where's my brake?
You look like a biker.
Do I look cool?
You look like a biker.
Oh, I stalled her.
Down. Down. Keep going down.
Yeah.
You want to follow the cart and look really, and you can teach everyone how to do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Nice.
I dropped my Bucky hat, though. You can get on the bench.life. Cue the dirt bike montage.
Let's check the turn.
Welcome aboard.
Biker rolling. Biker rolling. Later. Oh my God. Loop in. Cue montage. Cue montage.
Activate.
Got it going, boys! Oh, something went wrong. Something went wrong. Good? Were you just in too
No,
high?
I don't know, but she just kicked into high gear.
Were you just in too high of a gear?
Maybe. All right, boys.
Ollie broke the bike.
I
so
broke
don't
the
get it-
bike.
I don't get it.
Jacob doesn't get it to go. I was buzzing though. Sick dirt bike montage.
Let's go see what our mechanic filmer guy did.
Yeah, we're gonna
See
go
how far
catch
he
up to
made
him,
it.
and then we'll see what else we got going on. Oh, you guys can get these.
Oh, car?
You guys can get this merch. The Bucky hats, www.onthebench.life. You can also get these,
The goat.
the goats and
Goat
the Olly
tarp.
tarp. Hello. And the Olly tarp, boys. Let's go.
I should get that.
Jacob doesn't use gloves. This is how he plays ball. Good arm.
Oh shoot. Strike.
Nick! Ball!
What?
What do you mean, what?
That was the top side of the strike
That's
zone.
head high, buddy.
That was the
That's
top
head high.
side of the strike zone.
You trying to throw it over the fence?
Shut up.
Ball 2.
No, that's in there. Look where his mitt is.
What do you mean, buddy? I'm the umpire. I can
Look
see
where his
over your
mitt
melon.
is.
Put it in the strike zone, you muffin.
Shut up.
Ball 2, 3.
Ball
3.
Well, how did I get 2 balls on that call?
It's ball 3. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Put it in the strike zone, buddy.
Shut up. It's right there. Let's go, boys. That's a good throw. That's a good throw.
The outfielder wants to 32.
Oh, yeah, we got him. We got him swinging. Nice catching, hey? Way to pull it in.
Layup. Yeah, back to the key.
Yo, hit the paint hard. Swoosh. Nice. I saved it. King James. Saved it. 3 points.
Cue it.
Cue it, boys.